Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again, and as you can see in the title down below, today I will be showing to you guys how I did this DIY glam spider web because we don't want our Halloween to be too dark, so we made this glittery spider. So let's start! So the materials that you will be needing for this project are shown here in this clip, and they are pretty much self-explanatory, so just look at this clip. So what I did here is I just painted the barbecue sticks with a color yellow because, as what I've said before, we don't want our Halloween to be too dark. So yes. After painting, you can go on now and assemble those yellow sticks of barbecue using your glue gun, just like what I have done here. Now we want to cover the center of our spider web because we want to cover those glue gun debris over there, and just continue looping around the sticks to form a spider web. Ooh, the magical royal, the bottle cap over there. I'm just covering it with paper tissue because we want to give a texture of that kind of rough texture para madikit din natin mamaya yung mga glitters natin, and it will be easier for us to stick or to add our glitters. Time to paint. So I got here a reddish pink paint, and I mix it with the glue that we have used a while ago, and then just start painting. The paint is still wet, just add now the glitters para naman mas tipid na tayo, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng glue, and then just tap off all the excess glitters. Now here is just a hair clip or the bobby pins. I'm just bending it para mas madali natin na makat na using our pliers. Now glue all the the 8 legs of the spider, which are the black hair pins, and then proceed on gluing them on the stick of the barbecue, and yeah, ganyan na siya. And that is our final project, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!